Right, this is March 2011, Unit 2 Foundation paper. So it wants us to draw a kite on 1A. So we're looking to draw a kite that has a line of symmetry down the centre of it. So let's get rid of the dotted line. So a line of symmetry down the middle of it, and the opposite sides, so the adjacent sides here and here are equal, and also these are equal as well, but in a different length. So there's a kite that you could have had. Equally, you could have extended these lines down further. What you couldn't have had is this one I'm about to draw here, because that actually would be a rhombus, because it's got equal size lengths there. So two that I've shown are acceptable. Equally, you could have rotated around as well. So just show you a very quick example of that one. So it could have been this way around as well. Sort of peak at the top if you like, and then an extension through there. It then asks us to write down the special name of this quadrilateral. Well, that's a parallelogram. It's got two pairs of parallel sides. It's not a rhombus because all the sides aren't of equal length. Question 2 asks us what's 90 divided by 10. So 90 divided, question 2 there. 90 divided by 10 will give you 9. Write these numbers in order. Now there's a little trick for you on this. If you're not that great with decimals, then make them all have the same number of decimal places. So make them all, because this has 2, make all of them have 2 by creating notes in there. And then you can ignore the notes, ignore the point. And then you've got 60 there, 280 if this is your portrait. So you can just rank them in that way. It's the same number then, just with a decimal in it. And then write them in order underneath. The job's a good one. Right, 7/10 as a decimal. Well, I've shown you a method here where you put the bottom number, the denominator on the outside, the numerator on the inside. So 10s into 7 go none, carry your 7. 10s into 70 go 7, and there you have your answer, 0.7. You can produce that directly if you want, and just because it's 1 mark, but there's the method for any fraction. Question 3, regular pentagon. The order of rotation is the number of times that this shape, if you spin it, will go into itself on a full turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, because we went back to the beginning. So the answer there is going to be 5, and that's for 3A. And B is asking us to draw a line of symmetry on the pentagon. Personally, I'd go straight down the centre, but you could equally have had going through this point to this end, this point through the centre here. Just make it accurate. That point going through there, or that point going through there. But I'd have good money on that most students will have done this one here, but the others are acceptable as well. Question 4, what type of angle is this? Well, it's less than 90 degrees, so it's cute and tiny. It's less than 90. It's acute. Little rhyme there to remember. So acute, because it's less than 90 degrees. Then asks us to measure the angle. So if we get a protractor, make sure the protractor, the crosshair is exactly on the point there. We go up and measure it, and it's looking like it's round about 53 degrees. They'll probably give you a slight range on that from 52 to 54, but be really accurate in the exam to the nearest degree. Obviously I may have had issues copying that over. Question 5. We've got a straight line there, so we know the fact about a straight line is angles on a straight line are up to 180 degrees. So if we do 180 degrees, take away the angle we know, which is 50, that will then give us 130 degrees as our answer for X. And for part 2, give a reason for your answer. It's because angles on a straight line equal 180 degrees.